What if Earth became almost unrecognizable, a world where oceans vanish and continents collide? Stay tuned to discover the shocking future of our planet. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing science stories. Imagine Earth hundreds of millions of years from now, a world transformed. The blue oceans we know have shrunk, replaced by a single, vast supercontinent. Gone are the vibrant coastlines. In their place, an immense arid interior dominates the globe. This is Pangaea Ultima, a harsh, dry world where life clings to the few remaining coasts. Without large oceans, temperatures soar and rainfall is scarce. Deserts stretch farther than any today, and the water cycle is fundamentally broken. Scientists predict this future by studying the relentless movement of Earth's continents. Deep within the planet, heat drives tectonic plates, moving continents at the pace of growing fingernails. Over millions of years, these tiny shifts reshape the world, building mountains, closing oceans, and merging continents. Satellites now track these movements in real time, revealing a planet in constant, subtle motion. The data shows continents on a collision course, oceans slowly closing. This journey into Earth's deep future begins by looking back, when all land was one. Understanding this possible destiny highlights the delicate balance that makes Earth so hospitable today. The forces shaping our future are the same that have sculpted our past. Our planet is always changing, and the next supercontinent is already in motion. Let's explore how Earth's epic story of land and sea continues to unfold. To see Earth's future, we must revisit its past, when all land was Pangaea. 300 million years ago, dinosaurs could walk from Antarctica to North America without crossing an ocean. A single ocean, Panthalassa, surrounded this supercontinent. But Pangaea's unity was temporary. Deep forces began to tear it apart. Magma pushed up, cracking the crust, forming rift valleys that flooded to become new oceans. The Atlantic Ocean was born this way, pushing the Americas away from Europe and Africa. The breakup of Pangaea was slow, leaving clues in fossils and rocks found on now distant continents. Identical fossils in South America and Africa, matching mountain ranges across the Atlantic, these are Pangaea's fingerprints. As continents drifted apart, new ecosystems evolved in isolation, but the cycle didn't end. The same forces that split Pangaea are still at work. Continents continue their slow journey, now moving toward each other once again. We live in just one moment of this epic cycle. The next supercontinent is already on the horizon. Today, satellites let us watch continents move in real time. GPS and space missions measure shifts of just millimeters, proving tectonic plates are always in motion. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking as continents close in, while the Atlantic grows wider. Australia races north toward Asia. Africa pushes into Europe, building new mountains. Subduction zones, especially around the Pacific's Ring of Fire, drive these changes. Computer models, fed by satellite data, predict that in 250 million years, all land will merge again. Earth will be reshaped, one supercontinent, a dramatically different world. The next supercontinent could trigger the slow disappearance of Earth's oceans. As continents collide, new ocean crust forms less often, while old ocean floor sinks into the mantle, taking water with it. This process, called deep water cycling, draws seawater into the planet's interior. With fewer mid-ocean ridges, less water returns to the surface. Over millions of years, sea levels would drop, leaving behind vast salty plains. The supercontinent's interior would become an extreme desert, hotter and drier than anything today. Life would be pushed to the edges, surviving only near the shrinking, saltier ocean. This vision is a stark reminder of how interconnected Earth's systems are. The fate of oceans and continents is tied together in a cycle of creation and loss. The story of Earth's shifting continents is a lesson in humility and perspective. Our world's shape is temporary, always changing on a timescale beyond human experience. Understanding this deep future helps us value the fragile balance that makes life possible now. The same satellites that track drifting continents also monitor today's climate changes. By studying Earth's cycles, we see how geology and climate are linked, and how quickly things can change. Life has survived past supercontinent cycles by adapting, but the planet's transformation is inevitable. The tale of Pangaea Ultima reminds us to be better stewards of our world. Earth's story is one of resilience, change, and the enduring power of nature. If you enjoyed this journey through time, hit subscribe and join us for more amazing discoveries.